This is a 7-element Shaggy with a folded dipole-driven element going to Sorsogon. So let's check the antenna configuration. Each element is attached to the boom using an element holder. Each element is secured by bolts and nuts. So the elements are numbered on the boom. So you just need to put back the same element number with their corresponding numbers on the boom. This is a folded dipole driven element, as we can see from here. So everything is grounded. This is now attached to the feed line. An RG8 coaxial cable going to my antenna analyzer. So let's check the frequency response of the antenna. As requested, this should be centered at around 146 megahertz. So the bandwidth of the antenna is from 142 to 152 megahertz. So let's check the frequency response. As we can see from here, 146 is 1.0 with a minus 30 or minus 29 S11 or antenna return loss at 146 megahertz with around 46 or 47 ohms antenna impedance. Let's check the individual frequency response going down. So 145 is 1.14 or 1.2. 144 is 1.2. 143 is 1.2 or 1.3. And 142 is 1.2. As we can see from the antenna analyzer. So let's go up from 146 going to 152. Next is 147 at 1.05 or 1.06. Almost similar with 146. Next is 148 at 1.2. 149 is 1.23. 150 is 1.24. 151 is 1.2. And 152 is 1.1. So let's check the frequency curve of the antenna. So as we can see from here, we have the exact center frequency at 146.5. Scanning frequency is 142 to 152 megahertz, excuse me. So we can see the dip on the curve, the exact dip at around 146.5. So that's the exact center of the frequency of the antenna from the design frequency, which is 146. That's 1.065 exactly on 146, and let's move to 147. As we can see, it has similar response. So the exact center is around 146.5 megahertz with 1:1 VSWR. So let's check the antenna impedance. This is VSWR. So this is antenna return loss at minus 45.16 dB at the exact center frequency. Impedance is, reactance is around 0.45 ohms or 3 ohms, fluctuating. This is the antenna resistance at 49.56 ohms, Same with the antenna impedance at 49.61 ohms, the exact center frequency. So this antenna is properly working and is ready for shipping going to Sorsogon. Thank you for watching, and until next time.